When it comes to 2005 Honda Accord checking the transmission fluid, very much from 2003 to 2007, just talking about those year model, you check the transmission fluid when the engine is off. The engine has to be hot, or the car has to be hot, and the engine is off. So rule of thumb, you drive the car for like, let's say 20 minutes, 30 minutes, then you park it, and then you switch between gears from park to reverse, neutral, drive, and the other gears, 3 to 1 or 2 1. You stay on each position a couple seconds. This way let that fluid goes all over the gears, and then you put it back in park. The car is off, completely off, and you check the fluid. If you check it when it's running, it's gonna give you inaccurate reading. Those only are particular those models. Most of cars usually check them when it's hot and running. This one hot, not running. So this is a dipstick, and as you can see, let me just wipe it off and do it one more time. So you can see it is very much on the dot, the lower dot. So what we're gonna do, the engine is already hot right now. We're gonna put the car, leave the car in park, and we're gonna change gears first, and then we're gonna shut it off and check it one more time. Okay, change gears, reverse, neutral, drive. Yeah, use them, all of them. Okay, back in park. Shut the car off. Okay, the engine is off right now. Just wait like, I would say 30 seconds. Let it settle a little bit. I'll give it a couple checks. Still is going, that transmission needs to rise up a little bit. Transmission fluid. Okay, still, give it a few seconds. Every time you do this, you're gonna see it a little higher, and it goes up and up slowly. It went up just a little bit to the half. Never check it when it's cold, you're not gonna get an accurate reading. It has to be hot. Okay, so it's very much went up. It's going up every time I put the dipstick back in. You can see it's coming closer to the second dot. Let's do it one more time. Okay, it's going up again. So this is just to show you that the transmission fluid keep rising up slowly as you wait. Okay, you can see it is now, it's almost hitting the dot. This is just, I removed the dipstick. Can you see it? It's almost there. Okay, so that's how we check it. And this particular make and model, it takes ATF transmission, regular ATF. But make sure you check your owner manual and use the specified fluid for the Honda. Whatever fluid they need, just use it. Alright, this is how you check transmission fluid on a Honda. Make sure the engine is off and hot. Thank you for watching.